Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this video I will show you how to fix an iPhone that not automatically connect to Wi-Fi network in iOS 18. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then click on Wi-Fi and then click on info icon, and then you can see the option auto join. If you turn off this auto join button, then turn it on. After turning on auto join button, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then again open settings and Wi-Fi and then again click on info icon, then forget this network, and after forget this network and reconnect your Wi-Fi network again. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.